Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you're diving into the world of crypto, you know that withdrawing your assets securely is crucial. Today, we're tackling how to withdraw USDT from Zebpay in 2025. USDT, or Tether, is a stablecoin that's super popular for its one-to-one peg to the US dollar, making it a go-to for traders. Whether you're cashing out for real-world use or transferring to another exchange, this step-by-step guide will have you set up in no time. Let's jump right in. First things first, make sure you have the Zebpay app or website open and your account logged in. Security is key, so double-check that you're on a secure network and have two-factor authentication enabled. Once you're in, head over to your wallet section. Look for the USDT asset in your portfolio. It's usually listed under your holdings. Next, select the withdrawal option. This might be under a withdraw or transfer out button. You'll need to enter the amount of USDT you want to withdraw. Remember, there might be minimum limits and network fees, so check those details first to avoid any surprises. Now, this is important. Input the recipient's wallet address. Always double-check this to prevent sending your funds to the wrong place. It could be gone forever. After that, review the transaction details. Zebpay will show you a summary, including fees and the final amount. If everything looks good, hit confirm. You'll likely need to verify this through an email or your 2FA app. Once confirmed, sit tight. The transaction time can vary based on network congestion, but it usually takes a few minutes to an hour. A quick tip. If you're withdrawing to an external wallet, ensure it's compatible with the blockchain USDT is on, like Tron or Ethereum. And always keep an eye on your Zebpay account for any confirmation emails or notifications. There you have it, folks. You've just withdrawn USDT from Zebpay like a pro. If this helped you out, smash that like button, subscribe for more crypto tutorials, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Stay safe out there in the crypto world. See you in the next video.